I love you.
I love you.
Okay, but
I'm blessing about this sleep. Come on out now.
My baby, you're the one, I got it. I say, no, it was. My baby, you're the one, I got it.
What in the world another craze? And that's gonna. See, they can't sleep while they sleep, better dream while they dream now. Eh? Now come with me, say now they sing. Here at studio, at the Ascona. Eh? Now not a shame.
Papa, go to be shoemaker. I'm going to be police person. Everybody tells them we go punish us. Go to the shoemaker.
Papa God no punish us. Okay, Papa. God na boki.
For where? For where?
Punish us. Shut up. Sas then they talk to say that they call me na papa. That man, I no be your papa at all. No be me born on now. I don't talk am sis. I don't talk am. Now this woman wey dey this grave now cause this thing. I tell am before he die. Say no be me born on now. But God don't punish him. Now the punishment make him die. You see now, anytime una try this thing again here, I go tell una say this place no be studio. If your mates dey Lagos they make money, dey Abuja they make money, una dey here. Now all of you.
I never see this kind of boys, yo. I never see this kind of children. Okri and the Bob, they worry person tire. Okri and the Bob, waiting do na wahala o. Every day and night, na so trouble we dey see. Every day and night, na so complain we dey hear.
All the far wey dey keep for village, all of them, all of them.
Look at this. None of them, we didn't see inside there.
They don't tire me for this village.
Yeah, we go in different calm down.
Don't do. Sure na say no be thief. Una don take una mouth now talk say una be thief. All the fast wey una dey catch here dey kill say no dey again. When people go come tell say una be thief now, una go dey deny am. That one no be the thing I wan ask una. Where una mother dey? Wetin be you be goat? You be goat?
Papa ask us where your wife dey, no be our mother. Where your wife dey? People, na our mother.
For where?
My wife.
Your wife.
In case una no know, na una mother. If you no be una mother, show me una mother. Where una mother dey? No, I ask you now, where una mother dey?
You dey for your house.
See una mother here for this grave. As in this grave, no go fit come out again. My new wife, where I love well, wey love me, wey dey make me totori, why they happy. Now be una mother, whether una like am or not. You hear? I ask you question, you come they take my question, they make they play with my question.
But when they play with your talk, we don't fit joke with your question. As you don't ask us now, I be born with the play with my question.
We dey craze.
For where now?
We don't feel like that.
Come on! Go for your life!
This kind of children.
Which kind trouble be this one? Nyanga go dey sleep, trouble go come wake am.
Every day and night, na so trouble we dey see. Every day and night, na so trouble we dey hear. Okri Potambo.
Give me my money. Give me my money. See, by the time I finish with that, una no go. If I see my money again, una no go near am. Give me my money. Give me my money.
Papa, na money we carry na. Papa, no be so.
Na so na money you carry.
Na papa. I tell you, no be na papa. Oh, na papa money na see. That money, that na papa money. Now you go kill una today. My money. Give me my money. Look at them, thieves and rogues. Next time touch my money, whether na you get the money from me. You know how I manage get this money? One of the thief. Go outside, go thief money again. Make them kill you. I go even tell our Igwe. Make them catch all of una, lock una for prison or even kill una. This kind of like the same person get killed.
Every day and night, na so trouble we dey see. Every day and night, na so complain we dey hear. Okri Potambo.
Where are these animals that they call themselves my children? This one I'm going to check my traps. I hope they've not outsmarted me. I hope they've not gone to check it. Since I didn't see none of them here, because those children, I can't trust them. But if that happens, I will deal with all of them.
I never see this kind of person. I never
Hey!
see this kind of children.
Hey! Papa Kripoto! Now who carry my money for this house?
Who carry your money? Your money they miss.
Yes, so nice.
Now me they ask. You they mad? How you gonna ask me who carry your money for this house? And you know say, we dey live with two thieves. You don't ask them, now me they ask. Take time, Mo. Okripoto! Okripoto!
Papa, why is this to stop person for this house? You don't want person for this house.
My wife thought say money they miss for this house. No other person will carry am. If no be tough now.
Papa, we not be thief. We will not be thief for your wife pocket or in bank. We will not be thief for this house. Now only your money will be carry. I mean, but not be so.
We don't be thief.
We not be thief now.
Papa, we don't be thief. You only if you thief your wife money.
Yes.
You know they give your wife money for food.
God go punish you now.
Nah,
God go punish you now.
God not go punish them. Not be these children when they treat me like their mama. These innocent children when no sabi anything.
Yes.
I know say na you thief that money, now you carry am.
Oh, now me carry the money. This one they innocent now. You never tell me what thing done they happen between you and the children. And then they treat you like say what thing happen.
They be my like say I be their mama.
And now I see say una wan make her die.
Papa, that time when you go prison, you think say you go die.
You say you go die
You
there.
manager.
Oh, the manager.
How you go manage this guy? Because he's at the doors, papa. How they use at the doors, papa? Supposed to be.
Okay, brother. And above.
Nah, you give me my money.
Now you
Give
give
me
your
my
wife
money.
money.
Nah, give me my money. Give me my money.
Let me say this. Now the truth don't come out. I talk am say no be me born the children. If say na me born them, say they be my blood. How they go they eye my wife? They want make her die, so they go remarry my wife. Let me born them. The truth don't show. Hey.
I never see this
And that's
kind
my
of
wife.
person. I
I
never
go
see
bring my eye now.
this kind of
Watch am
children.
well.
Okri and the
Because I no
Bob, they
trust
dey
am
worry
again.
person
I
tire.
no trust am.
Okri and the
This
Bob,
boy don dey
wetin
thief
be
for
una
this family,
wahala
dey
o?
go thief
Every
thief
day and
money,
night
and
na
na
so
so
so trouble we
don
dey
dey
see.
give am, he dey chop,
Every day
chop,
and
chop,
night na so
chop
so
now.
complain we dey hear.
Then they follow them.
Okri Pot and Bob.
Go deal with that. All of them.
Mama! My daughter! Mama, I miss you.
Let me see what I'm giving Mama.
Lovely mother.
You're welcome.
How you doing?
So how is your studies?
My, it was fine.
Yeah, no, we go inside.
Let's go inside. You know, I've been missing this soup. I'm going to eat this soup today. Hey! My yuri mommy. I bought you good dress. This is
I never see
I miss
this
your
kind of person. I never see this kind of children. Okri and the Bob, they dey worry.
Now don't die for this house. I don't die for this house.
Waiting, sir. Papa own done too much for this house. Now waiting.
Come on to bring money for food here every day, like problem. Every day, fight. Says we dey fight like Tom and Jerry for this house.
You see this man? You see this man wey call himself our papa for this house? Hi. Okay, but don't worry. I get idea.
You mean
I get idea. I go take brother. We go take charge.
Bob. I must do
Now,
Are we there on this house? This house? Leave that
I go hear am.
You go hear am now.
Na so so trouble we dey.
Nine. You send my boys make they come here. I hope no problem.
Glue back up. No problem. You see, as you just dey like this, Chineke just beautiful you. As you just fine like this, I just dey doubt whether you from this our planet Earth. Because you too fine, oh.
Oh, Nine. All these things where they talk, I don't understand you again. No.
How you go take understand, Kwano? When you know from here, you no go understand.
Nine. Can I go?
Yes. No, sorry. You see, your beauty self, they make me dey confused so that I no know wetin I suppose talk again. Eh? Anyway, you fit dey go. Fit dey go, eh?
Nonsense.
Fit dey go. Kuku went.
Nai. Now what you just talk now?
No, nothing. No kwa yenku. No talk.
Nonsense. Piagi here akito they can do wicked. Rubbish.
Look in killing cattle. Ukwa diegu. Ebe.
I never see this kind of boys, yo. I never see this kind of children. Okri and the Bob, they worry person tire. Okri and the Bob, waiting do now.
That's what I mean. No, but waiting na kuna self. Eh? We no need una. We no get una time this morning. We not just respect una. We no need una like this morning.
We no say you no get our time for this village, and we too we no get your time. Now because of the small love we get for both of you.
I'm not saying we love two of us too much. With the love we get for ourselves, it's a past electric pole. To tell you the truth,
Look us finish. We get una left. Love fire two of us. I beg, let's go. Leave this monkey. Make we
wait, wait, monkey. Look at this guy. Look at you're very stupid. See your two legs like toothpick. You are here insulting me that I'm crazy.
Look at this one. Look at this one where we want manage. Because we want manage you. Look at us yellow like expired laptop. You call it dog rubbish. See our nyach they roll like ball when they fire by mistake. Nonsense.
Come on,
you want insult Bob
because we are here.
I never see this kind of boys, yo. I never see this kind of children. Okri and the Bob, they worry person tire. Okri and the Bob, waiting do na wahala o. Every day and night na so trouble we dey see. Every day and night na so complain we dey hear.
Our husband.
How are you?
Fine, now you.
You're welcome. Che, I think Okoro's second wife.
Yes.
Hey,
oh,
I catch him. That's a crap. Hey, you are good. Hey, Okoro, you are wonderful. No wonder Okoro is getting younger and younger every day. He's drinking a fresh yogurt.
Oh,
Hey!
Thank you.
Okoro, you are eating fresh fish. Hey, no wonder. Whenever, anytime you see Okoro will be glad, happy, shining like a morning star. Keep it up.
Nice.
Okoro used to tell me how you are handling him.
Hey. Nice, thank you.
Chai.
Now they go market.
Hey.
Oh.
Aqua. I wish I can get one like this with Orukrikiti. Okoro don't want to die, yo. Huh? Okoro looking young. This is you got from Life Nama. This one no be Ogwabara. No wonder Okoro they get younger every day. Me, look at me. I can't old pass all my mates. Okoro na God give you. If you not be one thing now. The one where I go do, our people go say I don't. God's of our land, give me one. Okay, bye. Wait. I talk one ratarata.
This one will just pay me this kind of visit. I hope no problem because me I no expect you.
No, I've been about this. I can't see you, come greet you. You know my friend again.
I'm not say you know my friend.
I just say waka pass, I say make I just greet you.
Oh, you do well. Because as you never do me, you never do me this kind of visit before. Now make me a surprise. That make I ask.
That's so surprise for this world, just as Jesus Christ go come. That's why you go be surprised to everybody. But your wife know that this one everywhere quiet.
She come out.
Okay.
Make you come sit down and make I give you cola.
No, I just dey come back break. You know, for market this morning, I said I just do that. So my.
Okay. Bye bye now.
Okay.
Bye bye. This one wey Mazoka for come, the kind eye wey they look, they like
I never
search
see
for
this kind of bossy.
Make you know be the thing why they think oh.
This kind of
Make you
children,
not be the thing wey
Okri
dey my
and the
mind.
Bob, they worry person
Because
tire.
if na you.
Okri and the Bob, waiting do na wahala o. Every day and night na so trouble we dey see. Every day and night na so complain we dey hear.
Just watch this.
Okri Pot and Bob. I never see this kind of bossy o. I never see this kind of children. Okri and the Bob, they worry person tire. Okri and the Bob, waiting do na wahala o. Every day and night na so trouble we dey see. Every day and night na so complain we dey hear.
Now in the house, I from the come now.
Village
As
wahala
I
o.
check, I don't see you now. But thank God, see, I see you now for road.
So why they look for me? I hope no problem.
No problem at all. Only I say make I come greet my queen. You know now.
Mazo Kapo, this is why they call me your queen. I don't understand you.
No one. Very soon you go understand. Very soon you go understand.
This is why they look me like this. I be your friend, the wife.
No problem. Very soon you go understand.
When you're nine, where they go now?
Na Bob, ụmụaka na-enye nsogbu anyị lekwe ha. Ụmụaka na-enye nsogbu ndị arụrụ ala. Ụmụaka na-enye nsogbu. Okri Pot na Bob, ụmụaka na-enye nsogbu ndị arụrụ ala. Lekwe ha. Ụmụaka na-enye nsogbu.
Which kind street sleep be this one? Mazoka, he not be so in street sleep dey be o. It's too strong.
Na Bob,
Yeah.
ụmụaka
You know say
na-enye nsogbu
this your children never go
lekwe ha.
change that.
Ụmụaka
This
na-enye
come
nsogbu
carry
ndị
this one
arụrụ
put for me, carry my
ala.
own. Wey soft.
Ụmụaka na-enye
I not run am.
nsogbu.
Hey, this one me go comot my teeth.
Okri Pot na Bob, ụmụaka na-enye nsogbu ndị arụrụ ala.
Which can't be this? I be make I kill the children.
Mama.
My daughter,
Mama.
thank God say you come back home safely.
Thank God, Mama. And to see you too.
You see, my daughter,
Mama.
the reason why I call you out here, now to advise you. Say, as you don't see this business, what they do, they get little money. Where they take, they train you. Make I be sure, say you be graduate. Make I have graduate. I beg my daughter, no put me to shame. I beg,
Mama.
make me proud.
Mama, don't worry. Your heart desire shall be granted. I'll make you proud. You have a proud barrister. Mama, I'll be called to bar very soon. And when once I graduate as a barrister, I will take care of you very well.
Mama.
In fact, you no longer stay in this village. I will take you to the city. I'll buy your apartment. I'll buy you a brand new car. Mama, don't worry.
Mama.
Yes.
In this life.
Very well, Mama.
Mama.
Mama, it's as if you don't know I have a good plan for you.
Ma. In this life.
Mama, calm down. What I promise God is going to give you long life. Mama, you live more than Methuselah. Mama. You live more than Methuselah for me.
Amen.
Everything will be okay. I'll make you proud. Yes. Don't worry. Just sit down. Wait.
Now, wow. I don't understand Mazoka for my queen. Soon you will understand. When did this one start? How Mazoka for God they say me being queen? Can't talk say soon I go understand. Meaning what? Now wow. It no be say this man don't they look me since.
Poto na popo umaka nenye nsogbu ai lekwe ha. Umaka nenye nsogbu ndarụrụ ala aha. Umaka nenye nsogbu. Okiri poto na popo umaka nenye nsogbu ndarụrụ ala lekwe
ha.
Oh no. Which time on I enter?
See me. Why now? You mean say you no see us as we enter here and your eyes dey wide open, you no see us?
Why now? What did they bother you? What did they think wey you no wan tell us?
If na our papa, make we help you arrange and keep am for one corner for you.
That one a small challenge na, a small thing.
No be una papa. Una no safe in una papa. Me, I know how to handle him.
Then who?
Una no dey there when Mazuka opened his mouth and called me his queen. Even they tell me say very soon me I go understand.
Just that?
Only that? We are nine. Leave it for us.
Matter for us.
We go pack and well, we go treat the Mazuka.
That one a small thing.
If you not say so,
yeah, we say so.
They marry me.
Yeah, we say so.
This kind of boys, I never see. This kind of children, Okri and the Bob, they worry person tire. Okri and the Bob, waiting be na wahala.
Okri brother.
Our wife. Why you call the pan kwang?
No, which other people?
Okay, but something they bother me.
What be that?
You see Mazuka for? Yeah. You see how they look our papa wife? Just they look our papa wife. See, just they look her backside.
I notice them.
Just they frame the backside. He can't they look am.
I notice them. You can't be saying one just grab and take.
What you could do?
I get plans. I get plans.
I don't want to show the bunny of I go and get the joy. I am also.
I never see this kind of boys, I never see this kind of children. Okri and the Bob, they worry person tire.
Okay, but Bob, this one why I can't see you from my shop today. I hope everything will be okay.
Yes. No.
No. Yes. No.
Yes. No. Okay, which I want to take now?
Mazuka, wetin you keep out on the try tell you be say everything no dey okay. Our papa wife sent us to you. Okay, but no be so.
So, wetin be the problem? Wetin I want make I do for now?
Say send us to you. Say you find us 5,000 naira.
Only 5,000.
5,000. I don't know you wahala now. Where buy bring and give me? Say 5,000.
Poto na popo umaka nenye nsogbu ai lekwe ha.
Is it a 5,000?
Yes. Can you give him?
Bye bye.
Okay.
Umaka nenye nsogbu ndarụ ala lekwe ha. Umaka nenye nsogbu. Ngbano umaka nenye nsogbu. Umaka nenye nsogbu.
We are now big boys.
Yes, we don't get money. We don't make up.
See.
You feel cut for yourself. Okay, but cut for
1, 2, 3, 4.
Who know where wanna get this money?
Ha! See this one.
Okay? Excuse me.
See. You dey excuse us. You better this stupid idiot o.
Come, let's change your life.
Listen, see, this money can buy anything you want in your family.
It's just like capital I. We can make you look like
Your 2 legs like toothpick.
I never see this kind of person. I never see this kind of children. Okri and the Bob, they worry person tire. Okri and the Bob, waiting do now.
Be this one.
Woman, now waiting. Can you hear problem can book us so went to Namlo. You know, this said I enjoy beautiful sleep for you. Eh? Where you go come interrupt my sweet sleeping dream.
No vex, so I just say my help you carry you go inside now that you go sleep well. Now just help and one render.
Help. Now that help, now you go finally kill you there. Why help? If you not go there, put me back to this sleep. You better do. If not, Amado go strike you now.
And because I not talk, what kind of sleep where you dey sleep? Where you zoom that like person wey get a people. I don't understand you.
Now your mouth, now kissing, now your kupo. If I'm for me now, it be your own.
I don't go for road.
Get away you. Nonsense. Them where they are the cruise. In short, may you come second time, now gone I will use fire your mouth.
Repeat. Repeat.
Oh, this dream don't run go far. Eh? Which kind bad market where I carry keep for house?
Okay. We still person go see for this village, my dear sister. This way the yam like this now, waiting happen. I saw Okiri Poto and Bo where they count money like Babangida children. If you see money, hey, if you see plenty money where they there, you know me now, you sabi me. I don't even do as if I see them. You know where these boys go see this money from? That one consign them. See how they go village by village, they steal money. Consign them. I bet who know the yam another person matter like this. No, just they talk about Abio. Say they just the shine now. She know they want me, Joe. But get your skate now. She tell you give me that skate. I don't dash her to my sister. Say just they eat money. No, I go bring am good. Nine. I beg no vex. Give me money for food. Food no dey this house. Nothing dey this house. I beg.
Food no dey.
Food no dey.
As they see me sober, my comot I dey. I no hold money for now. You go wait. When I come back, I go give you money for food.
What do you mean? Give me money for food, you say you don't get money. Every time I wait till you talk, you don't get money, you don't get money. Now what you go chop? Eh? You say you now God go punish you for this house.
You go wait. When I come back, I go give you money.
In fact, what are they going to beg you say?
Wetin again you want?
What are they going to beg you? Come here, give me money for food. What's it be your own? Every time you don't get money, you don't get money. Now what you go chop?
If you no wan make wetin I do yesterday repeat again today, Abmaka.
You know fit do anything.
What the show?
Beat me! No, give me money for food. Beat me! Beat me! Beat me! Give me money for food.
Enyendeba.
I never see this kind of person. I never see this kind of children. Okri and the Bob, they worry person tire. Okri and the Bob, waiting the night.
Okri Bottom.
Baba, how's okay?
Bob. This is why on a face candy like this. I hope nothing they suck.
That our useless father's wife. You know they feel fine.
Yeah. Take the. Oh yeah, give her this one,
1, 2, 3, 3,000.
Hey!
Voilà ça.
That's a car! That's a car, yes, Sabi. The man's a car.
You see, now I hear you. With this 3,000 naira, you see that our papa wife. She don't work.
She don't work.
She go meet you for market.
I know.
Yeah,
It's our papa.
that's a car.
Go find monkey.
That's a car.
I never see this kind of pussy. I never see this kind of children. Okri and the Bob, they worry person tire. Okri and the Bob, waiting be na wahala o. Every day and night, na so trouble we dey see. Every day and night, na so complain we dey hear. Okri pot and Bob, village wahala o.
Come here.
Papa, where done?
Where are they come from?
No way, I'm your cripple. We went to the bush. You go bush.
What do I go do for bush?
Maybe to shit now. I before no even shit self.
You don't even know. You say maybe to shoot. I say you don't even know what you go do for bush. And then I get out of my sight.
Papa, this one you there. I hope you're not target person wife.
Come back. This one when I say una go bush, go inside bush. Make you no be say una don dey monitor people's trap so that if you catch animal, bush meat, una go carry am, go chop am as na way now. Get out!
You dey thief me for where I want. Where is that? Give us food.
Umaka yara putakwamo.
You see, now me and the keyboard now we supposed to manage you. But you know, our useless, our idiot Baba, take over.
Only God.
But we can't like you, and as we like you, we say we're going to show you love. Okay, brother. Sure, man.
Oh, you too much. We nanny. As they see us so now, we don't make.
We don't hammer. We don't hammer. We are now big boys. Sure, money.
Calm down now. Make I tell you something.
Hey!
As they see now, money.
Cash.
Money.
Oh, creep or
now watch out. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Now we wanna forget this money.
6 and a half. That is 6.5.
We'll be big boys.
Bob, you know, as I want now, you understand? And when with the love I have for you, me personal, giving you 6,000 naira.
Hey!
To use them, cook something, you know, as they eat for this house. No, as they do now.
Hey! God go bless you now for me.
Yes.
I talk am.
Yes.
I say my boys wey dey innocent. Children wey no sabi sing, wey no know anything. Oh my God go bless you now for me. Yes. No, no worry, una go eat better food today.
Yes.
Bang
bang. We go manage to 250 now. You understand? No wahala, nothing happened.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh.
250. Yes.
Thank you.
Let's use some arrange things for us. Cook better soup. You know what they can't say what they like. Yes.
Okay, brother. No, see.
Oh, thank God. Oh, see money.
What is that? What did you do? What did I do? What did they holding me like a fire? What do you?
Why you go carry my sister? Go give that woman.
You get sisters and the sister. You don't want to talk. Money where man you take get? You say you get sister. Mom. Okay.
Make I catch you.
Foolish boy.
Make I catch you. Aye. You carry my money. Go give that woman. Only you come there, I your father wife. You won't carry your papa wife, only you. You won't go use my money, carry your papa wife. Behind me, make I catch you. Fire you, my catapult. Useless man.
I never see this kind of children. Okri and the Bob.
Make I catch you.
Okri and the Bob. Waiting do na wahala o. Every day and night na so.
Abi farmer, Bob.
Wetin you carry you? Wetin carry you come this my side?
My farmer, that's your daughter, Ifeoma. I hear say she dey come see. She dey inside.
Shut up your mouth.
Okay.
See, let me tell you. If not because of my daughter, you they carry this your scattered leg, they come this side. I no one take this man. See you for this my call again. You they hear me? Because the thing where you and your brother they do for this village, I don't like it. Yes.
You mean me and the Okripota? My fine brother.
Yes. So unless you change, before I will see you.
I don't change. Bob na better person for this village. People don't know.
So, make you no cross my house again. Make you no come here. I won't go buy something.
Now, Mama, the way of Mazo Kafo.
Mazo Kafo.
I not talk.
I said it. You are not okay. He said the head.
That man know they use I see people wife for. Make a Kukuma go my house.
I never see this kind of boss, yo. I never see this kind of children. Okri and the Bob, they worry person tire. Okri and the Bob, waiting do na wahala o. Every day and night, na so trouble with the sea. Every day and night, na so complain with the hear. Okri pot and Bob, village wahala o.
Let me say, I make anywhere where I hide money, they go find out. Now as I don't hide this one, if they find them, I go know say, na truth. My friend tell me. As I don't hide them, now make I see whether they go find them again.
My baby, you are the one I'm calling. Papa, what are you doing?
Point of correction. I don't tell you, say, I know be una papa. Make una know they call me papa again. You know what they call me? Mazi Okoro. Call me Mazi Okoro.
Whether you be Mazi Okoro, I be Mazi Okoro or Papa Honor is something.
If I be Okoro, yeah, plug me now.
This way you're talking to yourself. Did you visit the ghost last night? I be the ghost visit.
I think I bring you as a father. I'm telling you.
Go.
Okay, mother. Huh?
No, go check kitchen.
My baby, Papa, my baby, Papa, no.
Papa, don't go and forgive. Where are you? Don't go back to the
job. This woman wait lie down here. My late wife. Now your grave with this. Why you never come carry your children join body? Come carry them. Come leave them here. Come carry them. I don't want them again. Let they follow you.
I never see this kind of boss, yo. I never see this kind of children. Okri and the Bob, they worry person tire. Okri and the Bob, waiting do na wahala o. Every day and night, na so trouble with the sea. Every day and night, na so complain with the hear. Okri pot and Bob, village wahala o. I never see this kind of boss, yo. I never see this kind of children. Okri and the Bob, they worry person tire. Okri and the Bob, waiting do na wahala o. Every day and night, na so trouble with the sea. Every day and night, na so complain with the hear. Okri pot and Bob, village wahala o.
Papa, what did they look for?
They look for something. Now, something where Mazo Kafo. He give me make I keep for them.
Okay, fine now.
Okay, fine now.
That thing what say make una born. Una born.
Born everything now, everything.
Only that she said.
Even the shoe, the everything.
You mean say una don't born?
Everything.
Hey, okay.
Thank you, Papa. Agree, ma.
This one pass my power. What did they happen now? No here I put the money. Okay. Then I say I come out and here. I say these children they go fit see am. I go put them for that my old shoe where I tell them to burn. Now don't finish. Now they don't burn all my money finish. Hey, what I go? This one I can start life afresh. Hey. Oh, what I go do now? And I don't even fit tell them say they don't burn my money because me I tell them say I don't get money. Hey, they won't make the mama.
Ifoma, how are you doing?
They're fine.
I know that you go do okay. You're a beautiful girl now. I can see that.
Thank you.
Yes, I have fun now.
I'm just sorry
Yeah.
for that day. I just did joke. I need that money today.
I don't get the money, any money which I will give you. I don't even tell you I will give you any money. I just stop you here now to tell you that I want you to help me and tell my friend Nkechi that I so much love her. I don't play with her. She's all I have. She said I should give you money. What do you mean?
It's not good though. It's not good. This thing you are doing is not good though.
What is not good? Look at you, a free like you. See your leg. I should give you money that I suffer to get. See, you are very stupid. Come on, see, let me tell you. Try and tell Nkechi your friend that I so much love her. That's what I have for you. Let me just tell you. Not nonsense. You people that I don't suffer for this life. Look at me.
They worry person tire. And the bob waiting you now wahala o. Every day and night na so trouble we dey see.
You are not going anywhere. You must give me money for food.
Let me tell you sir,
You must give me money for food today.
I don't get money. Oh, if you cook the food, make na only you eat am. Me I no hungry. No keep for me.
If you not dey hungry, me and my boys we dey hungry.
Who be boys? Those animals, now they call boys.
No, they call my boys animal. They don't be animal, they be human beings like you.
If you hold me, I will hold you. Leave me.
Hey! You must give me money for food.
I will eat you.
You must give me money for food.
I will beat you. Leave me. Leave me. I will hold you. Now when you see that, see you.
I'm not going to leave.
I go hold you. Leave me. Leave me.
My dear, leave her. You won't kill him.
Master Kafo, which kind of insult be this? How you go to ask her what they want to kill me? I be foul. I be foul. What did they kill?
No be like, no be like that.
I don't like that too.
You don't understand now. You know my friend again. It's okay. Leave him. You give it I want. Come and tell you. Tell it I want.
Hey! Come you will come back and meet me in this house.
Come, leave her.
You go come back and meet me. Yeah, husband.
Nkechi, my sister. Could you imagine? Say Okiri Poto. Tell me say you love you. And you beg me say I tell you make love and back.
You mean that bobo that way they today show money?
Nkechi, no tell me say they like that guy because of money. Eh? See, they look you one eye. No even try go there.
You no like money for this life. Or won't tell me say no like that.
Hey, I beg you, not tell me that thing again. No tell me at all. I don't want to hear them again. Wait, come. Wait. Hey! Nkechi.
My friend, leave matter. Leave matter.
Nkechi.
Hey, it's life sweet oh. Okay, butter. You know say I go like my Nkechi. Make him be my girlfriend. I go like keep him as my girlfriend. You know Nkechi now.
Agree butter.
Bob.
You dey okay. But you see me ba?
Yes.
Me. Bob. Na Nkechi na the target. Especially that chinkly body wey dey like burger fish when they take cook jollof rice. You see that girl with guli, she dey okay.
Hey, that one fit too now. If you look at yourself, you look.
Okay, I dey think say we suppose buy something, give them, make them accept us.
How we gonna take buy gift give them? We don't work anything now. We don't get hard work.
Not true.
How we don't get money now? Can't buy anything.
How we
go useless like this so they will no get money with the fine woman?
Na nature, na nature. Na nature, na wetin you carry come out.
Hey, Kiboto, you don't forget Mazo Kafo. We go collect money from Mazo Kafo. We go take and buy something for them.
Yes. It's true you talk, but how we go take come tell am? You no go give us money now. How we go take come tell am say give?
See you don't forget say Mazo Kafo they like our papa wife. We go lie, give and tell and say our papa wife nowhere.
You are there.
Our papa wife the hospital.
Hey.
We go collect money. Now our POS, now our ATM now.
Bob, okay, but I don't say you get sense. Okay, but yes, now we use less, but we get sense.
You see,
I never see
go wait for
this kind of
Let's go there. We go catch am there.
This kind of children, Okri and the Bob, they worry person tire. Okri and the Bob, waiting do na wahala o. Every day and night na so trouble we dey see. Every day and night na so trouble.
Ah, you dey come out?
Yes.
Na your house I been dey come. I say make I come even greet you.
Good though. Where would they go now?
Your wife dey at all?
No, she go market. Where would they go my house?
Okay. I'm really get as you dey do me now.
How you dey do you? Make we go my house now.
No, make I reach my house. I go come back.
Make we go my house. Make you no go shit for your trouser.
I dey come, Later.
Okiri poto na bobo, uma kanene sobo. Okiri poto na bobo.
Okay, mother. Seafood. Let me do this now. Hey, Papa go this this our wife. Na seafood. Yeah. Okay, mother. This food is sweet too. Okay, mother. Now this our power food sweet too. We don't use that food. Now they never try to talk. After you.
You like them?
You like. Only delicious. After you. Now you. We will do your part every time. Oh, wow. Wait. Where my own food?
Which food?
Food.
The boys wey dey call useless and stupid boys.
Mom.
Na dem give me money I take cook this food.
Okiri poto. Paul the bro.
I dey wan go eat the food.
Whether I then give you or no be then give you now for my house they cook am. Give me my own food.
If na for your house na you pay the money.
Papa, is it this food wey you eat? No one for you. Now useless people na him cook am.
Thank you.
No food for you. Go to Ichie then. Kai. If one shot you take, but no food for road. I said when I give my own food.
That one no go.
Na two side dey.
Okay, mother. As I dey say your back, as I dey hide the food, the person say one carry around o. No one carry around.
Papa,
wait. I want make one hungry.
Don't take and help your life. They say don't tell you this level. Leave her. Later I will need it.
This one na horse. The bank, you know dey.
Now we dey here. Yeah, keep on top. And the ball. When we come out.
I never see this kind of children. Okri and the Bob, they worry person tire. Okri and the Bob, waiting do na wahala o. Every day and night na so trouble we dey see.
How are you two?
Fine.
Abeg come. Nee, please. Make una help me tell una mama. Tell her say you should come under that coconut tree wey near una house. Come wait for me for evening, yeah?
just like that.
Just tell her indeed, you know the time.
No wahala, don't come with that now.
Okay, no wahala.
See, you just have to give us 5,000 that we could give up. You know, say our power, we know what it like.
Mazo Kafo, why they call my mother? We know they interested.
No, I mean,
we no do again.
That's our papa wife. That's our papa.
You better.
But yeah, tell her say na for evening.
Just give us 5,000 now. You know what she likes. She go just come and come see you anytime you want.
5,000. Okay. I carry this one.
Down! Bazooka!
I go use leg.
Five! Wait for them there. Before you reach your shop, she go there they wait for you.
For evening.
Okay, just they go. She go come meet you. She go even there they wait for you. Now you.
See you later now.
I never see this kind of person. I never see this kind of children. Okri and the Bob, they worry person tire. Okri and the Bob, waiting do na wahala o. Every day and night na so trouble.
Glow. Where you dey now? Make I see your face.
Thief. What happened?
What is it?
Where the thief?
Papa, it was a dream. It was a dream. A dream and a dream.
Yes, Papa.
Yes.
They want to attack you and kill you in our dream.
No, they got attack, no be me. No, they got attack. May they attack una, kill una. When I even come out from my hand. I don't know who they go.
Papa, na evil spirit won't pursue for our dream.
I never see this kind of pussy. I never see this kind of children. Okri and the Bob, they worry person tire.
Welcome. I don't even know when sleep don't already carry me like this.
This one where you can't sit down like this. I hope your children don't do you anything.
Those two rats. They don't fit do me anything. I pass them now. They don't fit do me anything. They don't do me anything.
Good afternoon, though. Now you come. Welcome, sir.
Bye-bye. How are you too?
We're fine. Everybody.
Oh, yeah, now.
Bye-bye.
All right.
This can't sleep when they sleep me like this. Afternoon sleep it is sweet.
This kind of pussy. I never see this kind of children. Okri and the Bob, they worry person tire. Okri and the Bob, waiting do na wahala o.
You never see anything.
Na so trouble.
This is just the beginning. Anytime you can see a woman, beautiful woman with big nyash. Idiot. They should have killed him. Stupid. Anaga. He has a beautiful wife at home. But he's not satisfied with the one he has. Pium 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 Okaf. Ofumbos akupianya. Very stupid man. That serves him right. One day they will just catch him and tie him. Whatever God told him get him into. How can a man chilling cheese in Aka? Yes, anytime when see a woman with big nash, he will change his name from Okafor to Follow.
This kind of pussy, I never see this kind of children. Okri and the Bob, they worry person tire.
Thank God I even see you for
waiting do na wahala o. Every day and night na so trouble we dey see.
How you be say yesterday I take all the risk where I take come in our house. I know if you see you no even show up. Wetin happen?
Yeah. Nai, I no understand wetin they talk. Now which time you come my house?
So you mean say those two boys wey dey our house no give you the message wey I give them make they give you?
Nobody give me any message. They not tell me anything.
But you don't chop the money, how you no come get the message now?
Nai, see my pit. Hey, no damn. Now which money? You give me any money keep for you? Nai, if na joke, may stop them. I not let me pass the lie they put for my head. I take God beg you.
Chineke. So, these two boys, just they chop my money, they finish me like this, eh?
Hey, which money they talk? I know my boys, they too they innocent. They don't be collect money anyhow for your hand. No, they like put for my head. If my job may stop am. I beg come on my pass go we go where they go. Give money.
They go give me this money, I no agree. What kind thing be this? They go give me this money.
Madam.
Well done. Wait till I go give you.
You get neutral milk.
Hey, babe. Sweetheart, how are you now?
Bob.
What do I want to buy?
I won't come buy something.
That one no be problem now. We are big boys now. We don't know. Hey, madam, give them anything they want. You see this one? They're your own personal. Yes.
Come on, say give me that.
Let's go.
Since I not gave you Jimmy, you take this one now. You take this one till they go. You know say give me 500. Madam.
I never see this kind of boss, I never see this kind of children. Okri and the Bob, they worry person tire. Okri and the Bob.
This one where your face is heavy like this, like rainy season. You don't fight with anybody.
Okay, but
what's the gap? Good boy.
Bob, where my money?
Which money? You give us money. See, you cannot do more than that. You didn't give us any money. Make I tell you. Yes, now.
Yes, now your cover. You can't do anything. We did not come to your shop to steal your money.
Yes.
You gave it to us, so you can't do us anything.
Okay. I know if you do anything, Abi. When I go say, I go take pay that money. I will go change your phone.
See, you cannot even do that. Let me tell you.
You want to sleep with our papa wife?
Our papa wife.
You get lost
our papa wife
where
you want sleep.
Fire you catapult for your that your slippers nyash.
Make it thunder fire you.
Woo, Mazokaf.
I never see this kind of boss. I never see this kind of children. Okri and the Bob, they worry person tire. Okri and the Bob, waiting on our wahala.
Okri pot and Bob. I don't like what they do. I'm not going to work out for this village. They collect money from Mazok or for hand. I don't like them. The man calls me for all they talk anyhow.
We're nine. Wait. Let me explain something for you. If they say we get sense, Mazok for don't achieve what you want to do. Maybe you did. But me and Bob use our brain into saying they're wise. Happy Bob, no be so. Ask Bob now.
We nine. Okri Potter is right. That man they eye you as they looking one manage waiting our father the manage. That man went entire London.
That man self even with the kind of thing where you can get for mind when you did. That man for don't enter your this thing, if for don't do your this thing like this, as he want to do them. But we just use our brain. We are in there. Nah, we are nine.
If any man near you for this village, just kill him. Use my catapult.
Kill him.
Shoot him.
You go die.
Who can kill anybody for you? But will go
prison. I said
he never reach like that. No kill anybody. But you see that man, Mazokaf. That man an idiot. I like what you na do am. I like as una using head. The man an idiot because they pursue married woman like me. He went to their house so. Na idiot he be. I cook bitter leaf soup. No na go carry on.
You know why we like it? Our food always there ready.
I never see this kind of boss. I never see this kind of children. Okri and the Bob, they worry person tire.
I don't know what's in the worry this hour, baby. Whether they're illiterates, they worry them with the That will not be the thing where the thing go. These children are good children. I never say anything bad what they do. Can you imagine children will love their papa wife? They take them as their mother. They know they quarrel with them. They know they fight them. Which when they say no be their mama, but if you deal with them, you go think say that the woman born them. they worry this our people. Whether na illiteracy, they worry them, I don't know. That will not be the thing where the thing go. These children are good children. I never say anything bad.
This one will come my house. Hope say all is well.
You know nothing happen for this community.
Waiting they happen.
Yeah. Now Bob and his brother, the way they take collect money for man's or car for hand don't do too much. So the man don't come complain for our youth president. So we go there tomorrow. Go, you know that kind of thing. I go arrest them. So I don't know, maybe you go call you so every day you enough.
You know say only me and my mama there for house.
Wow.
So and now she don't send me say I go buy something. Since when me maybe I feel no go, but if you go anything we didn't talk, you tell me.
Hey, I swear they without battery now.
No, no be like that. You know say only me and my mama there now.
I know.
So
now.
you know say I no go dey live like that they come out.
I don't hear now.
I never see this kind of boss, I never see this kind of children. Okri and the Bob, they worry person tire. Okri and the Bob, waiting be my wahala. Every day and night, so trouble with the sea. Every day and night, so complain with the here. Okri and Bob, you get wahala.
Come out! You go die today. Wait, bring yourselves out, John. Bring them out!
Come out!
Where are they? Mazoka. Now you carry this bill. What thing happened? You go kill them today.
Okay, look at two of them. Look at two of them.
What are they making on
Look at too much. You go flog on that today. Wait. What did they do? Now you carry them. What did my children do? Okay, for you, my friend. What did they do?
We don't dey hear what they do for this community.
Yes.
But today, we go for us go.
Yes.
Now, I tell you that's how we collect my money.
Papa, wait.
Okafor, Abimazo Okafor.
Okafor sef, don't do the man.
So you get mind there. Gather the whole people for this village.
Our father's house.
Go our house. You won't go carry me and my brother.
Our father.
We go talk.
Who go expose him? Tell Papa what happened.
Papa,
tell him.
You see this man where you call your friend. You see all this time where they meander. They come here, come they greet you, they come out. Now your wife backside.
They
now we call the eating money.
Steady. Everything.
Nine.
You call him your friend. You call him your friend.
Waiting this your son stop. Not true. Fine, how you go take the friend?
Man is
bad.
What I'm not doing.
You see? Hello. Mazoka. Nothing say with my friend. No wonder. Every time where he come my house, he go to ask me, where your wife? Where your wife go? Which time he go come back? Where he dey? This and no say na I make am. Hey, God don't catch you today. God don't catch you today. You be bad man.
Yes.
You want chop waiting at the chop. Youth. Men I carry this man go beat am. Even in alive, men I kill am. Hey, I love you. You be better person.
Carry your wife, go. Carry your wife, go.
Oh, una say make I carry am. Oh, make I carry.
Carry your wife, go.
Make I carry my wife.
Carry your wife.
Make I carry my wife. Oh.